friends, welcome back to our lovely channel Navasva Ni Sontam.
How to face examinations when not prepared well. Examination season is back. In the coming months, millions of students would have to write their school, college examinations. At this stage, there is some good news for students who find themselves lacking in preparations. Partially prepared can also win. Rest assured that you still have your opportunity doors open. Out of my experience of working with children and helping them prepare for their examinations, I have learned a few tips which enable the student to bring out the best in the limited time available. Here I share those. The first tip is art of elimination. If you have not been able to study the complete syllabus till now, don't aspire to finish it all. At this stage, it might be sensible to master a few chapters and ignore the rest. According to your love of the subject, the confidence gained in the respective topics, and talking a cue from the previous year's question papers, identify the subjects which cater to the probability of attracting maximum numbers in the examination. Focus on those and ignore the rest. Well, this calls for an intelligent elimination, and you would do well to consult your teacher in giving you some hints in the process. The second tip is make a timetable. Since time is the scarcest resource, it should be the pivot of all your activities in the coming days and weeks. List down the topics of focus you have identified after the process of elimination. Take some expert help to align those subjects into the matrix of a timetable. Strictly adhere to your plan. The third tip is easy first. Always make it a point to study the subjects which you find easier to learn first. Alternately, begin with the smaller chapters, finishing off and securing confidence in a few chapters will elevate your confidence level and also trigger the rush of adrenaline, the encouragement hormone. The fourth tip is eat right, sleep right. Since the stress levels are high during these days, usually students have the craving to eat spicy food. However, I would advise students to avoid outings, especially the roadside food vendors, parties, etc. Home food is the best option. Some students compromise on their diet and eat less during these preparation days. That's again being unfair to your body system. Always be diligent in eating the right food in proper quantities at regular intervals. Sleep is one big casualty before examinations. Beware of it. Never compromise with rest. Sleep debt attracts heavy penalty in terms of poor performance in examinations. The fifth tip is map your mind. Use the mind mapping tools to easily memorize lessons. Use color pens to underline. Scribble everything that you read and revise with highlighted keywords. Look for mind mapping tools on the internet for ease of understanding. The sixth tip is never compare. Asking friends as to how ready they are for examinations is an absolute no. Never do so. Let me share a secret. No student is ever 100% prepared. However, when someone boasts about his or her preparation, comparison creeps in and actually fractures your confidence. Focus only on your work, forget friends. Seventh tip is speak out. Some students avoid discussing their feelings about their preparation. This is not a healthy habit. Discuss your plans. Talk about your list of pendings, accomplishments with your parents, guardian, counselor, or elder brother or sister, but not with your peers. The eighth tip is energy breaks. When the piles of unlearned topics tease at you, every moment seems precious. This is when students avoid taking breaks in between study spells. Know that not taking a break does more harm than any good. 5 minutes of recharge break every 50 minutes is ideal. A word of admonition here. You should not jump onto your internet screen in this break time. Instead, do meditation. Just lie down peacefully and take deep breaths. Listen to some soothing music or walk around in the garden, etc. The ninth tip is simulate examination. If the examination time is morning 9 a.m. to 12 noon, it would be useful to practice sitting on your study table at a stretch during these hours every day. This way, you adjust your body clock, which in turn will support your mind to function well while the examination. If your examination center is at an unknown place, you must visit the center a day before. To establish familiarity, it helps you. It would be useful to think positive, irrespective of your level of preparations, because thinking negative will, in any case, not help you in any way. If you revise your strategies using the ideas shared above, I'm sure you will definitely get better with confidence and gain an edge over others. Be successful.